Hey, it's Chris again with C&H Auto Accessories coming from sunny Margate, Florida. And what do we have today? Well, we have the new, I believe it's a 2025 Toyota Tacoma. And this must be the top of the line because this is one beautiful looking truck. I love this pearl white. As you know, I usually start in front of the store, but this truck looks so good. I said, John, let's start in front of the truck today. So let's see what we've done today. So come on back this way and you can look at the truck as we go. It's such a pretty truck. And what did we do? Well, he's got such a good looking truck. You wanted one of the good looking covers, and this is the RetraxPro MX. Now the Pro refers to being the all aluminum model, and when you get the all aluminum model, you actually got the strongest rolling cover. This has got a 500-pound capacity, so as rolling covers go, that's kind of the top of the line for strength. And this is a two-layer metal. That means a piece of metal, and they got a curved metal piece underneath, and that helps keep the heat from conducting all the way through. Now this is a nice powder coated finish, and I think it looks terrific, and it holds up very, very well. Also, if you look here, it's a nice low profile. See how nice and clean this is all the way down here? This is super sharp. I mean, he's got a good looking truck. You want a good looking cover. So, and also besides looking good, it's super strong and has a lifetime warranty. So let's go into how it operates here. So, there we go. Perfect. Okay. Now, when you get the Pro model, you also get a dual lock system. So when I go to close this down, there's a lock here and there's one on the other side. The other model is only the driver's side. As you can see, there's two on this one, so it's going to hold it better. Now, this is a handle, so you just basically take your arm or your hand, whatever, and it's pretty easy, by the way. As you can see. Not much to it. Now, what I like about the Toyota, this is attached to the cargo management system. I just feel that's a lot stronger. So not all the trucks have a cargo management system to attach to, but Toyota does, and I like that set up that way. This way, literally, if this thing was even upside down, it probably wouldn't come off because it's attached to this part inside. Now, another great feature about this cover, this is the only one manual that will lock anywhere along the track. Now, if you get an electric cover, it'll do that, but if you want a manual cover that you want to lock it anywhere along the track, you can with this. Now, what I like about that, if you have something in the back, you can put the cover right up to it and kind of kiss it in place, and then you got your tailgate closed here, kind of holds it in place. Now, there is a weight difference on this, so you don't want to be grabbing this and pulling this on here. So basically, this right here, you know, hold the cover in a little bit more, but you don't want to be going too crazy with it. So again, it opens up very nice. If you look inside the canister, you still have lots of room underneath the canister. So if you can see in there, and if you see, we did put the drainage system left into the right. Now, why did we do that? That is so if you're putting something in the bed, you don't knock them out. I've seen a lot of people who put it directly in the floor, and when they put it in the floor, a lot of times, let's say you go on a trip, you're putting your luggage in there, you'll probably knock it out. So again, this is gonna be a lot better for you. Again, this thing, real easy to use, great warranty. It is a sealed system, so you never have to lubricate the rails. Actually, they tell you not to lubricate the rails. Go ahead and close it up here. Now, if you're wondering what this is a seal around the lock here. So it's basically keep Mother Nature out. And of course, let's go ahead and close this up. Now, it's got the electric cover, the electric tailgate here. There we go. Perfect. Again, I can install it for you here in the store. We're going to put a 1-year labor guarantee on it, or we can ship this anywhere in the country. And actually, we ship tons of these covers. And if you buy from us, you're also getting us. And what I mean by that is, if you're installing the cover and you have questions, I know Real Truck now owns Retrax, and a lot of times you call them up for help, and they might not get to you for hours. If you buy from us, you pick up the phone, call us, we get on the phone right away. We can pick up the phone. We have 3 or 4 installers here that can answer your questions on any installation need. That's the benefit again for us. You're not paying more, by the way. It's the same price you buy it from them or from us, but the benefit is you're helping a family-owned business, which I appreciate, and it's just better and easier using us. Again, I'm Chris with C&H Auto Accessories out of Margate, Florida. This is a review of the RetraxPro MX on the brand new 2025 Toyota Tacoma. And don't forget, hit that like button. We really appreciate it. And subscribe to the channel. Stay up to date with all the latest and greatest products. Thank you.